Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're getting ready for our close-up. We've all seen Apple's ads with beautiful pictures that say, "Shot on iPhone." But my photos don't look anything like that. Here are the features you need to know about to take the best looking photos on your iPhone. Open the camera app. On the top left, you'll see the flash symbol. Tap that to enable flash, set it to auto, or turn it off altogether. You'll see an arrow in the top center of the camera preview. Tap that to view manual controls like the aspect ratio, the exposure, or brightness. You can also activate low light mode or set a timer. At the top right of the camera preview is the option to toggle on live photos, which are moving images that capture a few seconds before you tap the shutter for more action. If you slide over to portrait mode, you'll see an additional manual control at the top right of the preview, the f-stop, which lets you adjust the camera's aperture to allow more light in. Portrait mode blurs the background of your photo and works best when your main subject is about 8 feet away. You'll also see some lighting controls, so you can highlight your subject with natural light or make the photo look more dramatic with studio lighting. But we all know the best photos are the ones you take of yourself. So just tap the circular arrows on the bottom right of your camera preview to flip it to the front-facing camera and take a selfie.